In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate WhatsApp with Shopify. By the end, you'll have a WhatsApp chat button live on your store, so your customers can reach you quickly and easily. Let's start from your Shopify admin dashboard. At the top of the page, you'll see a search bar. Click into that search bar, and from the drop-down options, choose Apps. In the search field that appears, type WhatsApp and press Enter on your keyboard. This will take you to the Shopify App Store with results related to WhatsApp integrations. From the list of apps, look for one called Chatty, Chat Button and WhatsApp. Click on it to open the app's information page. Here you can quickly review what the app does, but to continue, click the Install button. Shopify will guide you through the usual installation prompts, such as confirming permissions. Follow those steps until the installation is complete. When it's done, you'll automatically be redirected to the Chatty dashboard. On the Chatty dashboard, you'll be asked to sign in or create an account. You can log in using an email and password, or connect through accounts like Google, Wix, or Shopify, depending on what's available. If you don't already have a Chatty account, look for the registration option at the bottom and create one. It only takes a moment and is required so Chatty can save your widget settings. Once you're signed in, you'll see a list of possible communication channels. Find WhatsApp in that list and select it. Then scroll down and enter your WhatsApp number in the appropriate field. After that, scroll back up and click the next button in the top right corner to move on to customization. Now you can customize how your WhatsApp widget will look on your store. You'll see a live preview on the right side, so keep an eye on that as you make changes. Choose between a simple view or a chat style view. Pick an icon for the widget, select a color that matches your brand, and adjust the call to action text so it clearly invites customers to chat. Scroll further down and open the Position Effects or Similar section. Here you can choose where the widget appears on the screen, left, right, or a custom position. You can also set the widget size from small up to extra large, or define a custom size if you want something very specific. Under More Options, you can choose a font, decide the default state of your widget, and adjust how the icon is displayed. Click Next again in the top right corner to configure triggers. Triggers let you control when and how the widget appears, and you can also add targeting rules so the chat shows only on certain pages or for certain visitors. Click Next once more and you'll see an option to install a live chat tool from the same provider if you'd like an additional support channel. When you're happy with all your settings, click Save Widget in the top right corner. After saving, your WhatsApp button should be active on your Shopify store, ready for customers to reach out to you directly.